Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Asthma OTC account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.nhs.uk and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. To log into your Asthma OTC account, click on this My Account link in the upper right corner of this site. And then click on this Continue with NHS Login. After clicking NHS Login, type in your email address into the login area. After filling all of your details, click on this continue button over here and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.